Hello. 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 I look at the menu. I look at the menu. I look at the menu. I want a coffee. I want a coffee. I want a coffee. Add milk, please. Add milk, please. Add milk, please. 1 sugar, please. 1 sugar, please. 1 sugar, please. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? I pay cash. I pay cash. I pay cash. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I wait for my order. I wait for my order. I wait for my order. This is my coffee. This is my coffee. This is my coffee. The lid is on. The lid is on. The lid is on. I walk to a table. I walk to a table. I walk to a table. I sit here. I sit here. I sit here. I put a napkin. I put a napkin. I put a napkin. It is hot. It is hot. It is hot. It is good. It is good. It is good. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? I want this. I want this. I want this. I take a croissant. I take a croissant. I take a croissant. Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Put it in a bag, please. Put it in a bag, please. Put it in a bag, please. This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Is this seat free? Is this seat free? Is this seat free? It is raining. It is raining. It is raining. This coffee is warm. This coffee is warm. This coffee is warm. I like this place. I like this place. I like this place. I need Wi-Fi. I need Wi-Fi. I need Wi-Fi. Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? What is the password? What is the password? What is the password? It works. It works. It works. I need a refill. I need a refill. I need a refill. Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Do I need a key? Do I need a key? Do I need a key? I clean the table. I clean the table. I clean the table. I throw it away. I throw it away. I throw it away. Goodbye. 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 See you. See you. See you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.